Hi all, welcome back to another video. So let's discuss about how to customize website form in Odoo Studio module. So as we have installed the Studio module here, you can see an icon. You can also manage the website from form from any of the modules. So either directly you can manage the website form or you just get into website module. And currently we can see an edit button. So in order to edit the website, just click on the edit button so that you will get a sliding panel over here and search for forms under blocks form. So you will get a dynamic content over here. Just drag and place it in the uh, area. So you can see all the fields are automatically added. So if you want to customize this form, you can click on customize so that you can make changes in this form. So let's back to customize, and if you want to change anything, like just select any of the fields and click on customize. If you want to add more fields, you can just click on the field so that a field will be automatically added here, which shows the custom field. And if you want to create a link to target this session, you can create link for that. So here you can see anchor will be copied to link. So you can edit that if you want, and we can also add save this. So if you want to save. Hi all, welcome back to new video. So let's discuss about how to customize a website form in Odoo 16 Studio module. So you can just get into the Studio module and you can make customization in the website form, or from the home you can make changes to the Studio, or you can make customization for the website form from any of the module, because each of the module has its own studio. I mean, that feature is applicable in every module if you have installed Studio module. So let me get into the website module and click on edit so that you will get a sliding panel here. Now you can just search for forms under blocks, and let me drag and drop this content over here. So you will get many fields. Now you can make customization. So in order to make customization, just select any of the field. So this will automatically move from the blocks to customization. So if you want to add a field, just click on the field so that a custom field will be added there. And if you want to make edit changes in the action of submit button, you can change that action, and you can see that we can create a customer from here. We can create an opportunity. We can create a sale order, send SMS. So if you have installed help desk module, you can also create a ticket from this. So when you install the help desk module, you will get an option of create a ticket under action. So according to your requirement, you could change that. So if you want to create a customer, let me set the action as create a customer, and you can set this field, marked field, as required and or none or optional. So if you're setting it as required, then when you click on submit button, then only a customer will be created. Okay. And yeah, we have many things to discuss about, like marked text as star, and the label width is of 200 pixel. And on success, you can redirect this to another page. This might redirect, or if you set it as nothing won't be happening. And if you set it as show message, you will be getting a message. So let me set it as redirect itself, and here you can also see the URL of contact us. Okay. And if you want to change the background color, you can change that. Like you can change the background color of the button, title, text, and see, as you're hovering the mouse on different options, you could see the change. And if you want to change the color and all, it is possible to change the color, uh, everything. And you can also change the gradients, which means that if you want to get mixture of colors, you can set that too. After that, or you can also customize a gradient. Now, if you want to set background image, you can do so. So currently I'm not setting. So if you set the background image, sometimes this won't be clear as of now. Now you can also set videos and shapes in the background. So you can see as the mouse hovers on different options, you can see the change will be applied in the window. So you can do every customization in the form. So let me save that feature, and after that I also need to, yeah, I also need to make a few more changes in the theme. So let me get the form again, and yeah, currently we are in the form, and you can choose themes. So let me choose any of the block in order to give the theme. Yeah, here you can also set the different content shape, height, width, and visibility. So if you want to restrict this for a mobile view, you can do so by clicking on this. So this won't be available in the mobile view. And if you want to restrict this visibility in the desktop, then you can set that so that this won't be available in the desktop. So let me remove that, and um, let me just switch to the themes. So under themes, we can change the primary color. Then you can choose the colors from the color palette. So let me set the color as this. So the color will be changing. So here you can see the entire color has changed. And you can also set color presets. Um, so if you want to set the color presets, you can choose that. And from this also you can make customization for the background color. So let me set the background color, which to be a pale color. And yeah, you can make further changes, and theme options. You can show, if you want to show the header, you can show that. If you disable that, the header won't be visible. So as I have disabled that header is not visible right now. Let me back to the themes. And when you click on show header, you can see the header is back. The thing is that when you make any changes, you need to search for the forms again and again in order to make the further addition. Now, when we talk about the theme, we have discussed the show header, and you can also set the page layout like full, boxed, framed, and postcard. So let's check one by one. See, you can see the difference when we change the page layout. Now, you can set the background color or no background, and if you want to set it as pattern, you can set that. If you don't want, just set it to none. Then you can also choose the font size. So we have different fonts such as system font, Roboto. So as you choose different fonts, you can see the change in the window. Now you can set it as open source. Source Sans Pro, and you can also set the other. And if you want to add Google Fonts, you can also add Google Fonts. So here you can add Google Fonts, and you can enable the toggle button serve font from the Google server. And after that, you can just save and reload that. So that the Google Fonts will be available under this list. Now we have button, so we can fill the button or we can outline it. So when you set it as outline, you can see that, yeah, the color has moved. So when you hover only, you will get that color, and you can also see the secondary color. So currently it's in fill. So when you set it as fill, outline, you can see, yeah, we could not find any change over there. Now let me set it as fill itself, and we can also do padding, font size, border width, radius, and all. If you want to get the ripple effect, just enable the ripple effect so that you can see the ripple effect in the window. And let me remove the ripple effect. Now you can also get underline on hover. So here we have normal, always underline and underline. So let me choose, right now it's underline on hover. So when you choose, when you start hovering, you will get underlines actually when you save this and all. So you can choose the option accordingly. And we have many things to discuss, like the status color, then grays in this. So if you want to adjust the grays and saturations, you can do so. And we have a website settings which shows a theme. So if you want to switch the theme, you can click on switch theme. So changing theme requires to leave the editor. This will save all the changes. And if you want to do that, you can proceed with this, and you are getting a message like a pop-up message that to be careful that changing theme will be reset all of your color customization. So if you want to switch, you can switch, or else you do not need to switch. So if you click on switch, Odoo will provide a theme which is suggested by Odoo. So if you want to choose that, you can, or else go ahead with the one we are doing. So let me move to the theme. And here you can also set the code injection, which can be done in HTML. And we can also set a custom map. So if you want to set the custom map, first we need API key. And after that, you need to save the changes, like create a Google project and get a key. After that, you can enable the billing on the Google project. So this would allow you to set the Google map in the form. So that's all about the website. So let's see what's going to happen if I save the website form right now. And we have saved that. And let me create a new customer. So let the customer name be Bonnie. And you can change all the things. And let's make sure that we have set the action as, to create a customer. Yeah, we have set so. So now you need to refill this. After that, click on submit. So that you can see, you will get a message as we have set it as redirect. You will get a message like, thank you, your message has been successfully sent and we will get back to you shortly. And as we have successfully created or submitted the form, under the contact module, you can see a customer will be created. So let me go with the customer. Let's see whether the customer is created or not. Yeah, here you can see that a customer is created. So that's all about customizing website form in Studio module. Hope this concept is clear for you. So thank you for watching the video.